Hello, welcome to our IRCTC Railway Reservation System demonstration. I am Ashwinder, and today I will be showcasing a comprehensive train booking platform with customer, admin, and representative functions. Let me start by showing our account management and search capability. So first, we're gonna open our website using the localhost 8080 index. Which gonna land us to this homepage. And we can always register for the customer using the sign up feature. And we can create an account for the user, which will be stored in the database. And I already stored like user in the database, so we're gonna log in it over here, and we're gonna log in it with me, Patel, and the password is just M. So when we're gonna hit the enter, it's gonna show us a bunch of different options. So the first thing we can see is there's a lot of data, like the frequently asked questions over here, which user usually ask. If they can't find the question, you can ask a ticket or create a ticket so that it can be resolved by the customer representative. So there are the upcoming reservations which the user Meet Patel has booked. So in order to book those, I'm gonna show you how they're gonna book it. So there's an option over here, book new tickets, and they're gonna just search for the stations available. Let's say, for example, I'm gonna go with Mumbai, and the destination is Chennai, and the probability date for our travel is 29th of this month. And we're gonna sort it by arrival time, and we're gonna search. So it's gonna give us a bunch of different transit lines that gonna travel from Mumbai to Chennai and give the fare prices, and it is sorted by the arrival time. So if a user want to reserve for the train, let's say they want to reserve it for 2400 or maybe Toronto, 795 Mumbai to Chennai, they're gonna reserve it by clicking it over here, and they're gonna give us the detail of whole train, the travel date, the departure route, and it also gonna give us the option to give it as a one way or round trip. So I gonna say one way for now, and let's say there are two adults and two children, out of which one there is a senior. So total of five people, which we can see the breakdown over here. And if it's a round trip and there is a return date of 31st, and it gonna make the price double. So I'm gonna say one way, and the amount is 286542, and we're gonna complete the reservation. And once the reservation is complete, we're gonna see the reservation of one way Toronto with adults, two children, two and senior one over here. And we're gonna click view detail in order to see the whole detail of the reservation ID, the passenger, the trip, everything about the train, the stops the train gonna make, and the fare amount. And we can also cancel the existing reservation. We just gonna click cancel reservation, and we just made a reservation Mumbai two children, like the number 104. So we're gonna hit cancel, and it's gonna just take off the reservation from the dashboard. Yeah, so it's gonna take the dashboard, and there are the past reservation system that catches all the reservations that have been made in the past. And just to make sure, we have a feature where the customer get discounts on the basis of their age factor. If it's an adult, it's a regular price. If it's a child, there will be discount. For senior citizens, it's also a discount, and for the disabled, there is discount. So it's 50%, 40%, 75% respectively for each age category. So yeah, so we're gonna just go back to the search from here. We're gonna go back over here, and that's how our admin or like our customer login looks like. And now we're gonna see how admin can function on his own end. So admin portal is over here, and we're gonna log in with username admin one, admin pass is a password. So yeah, admin dashboard looks like this. So they can look for the manage the representative, the customer representative. They can manage. They can actually add representative. They can delete. They can add it. They can do everything over here. So we already have like two representative. One of those is Shalvi, and the other one is rep user. So we're gonna go back over here, and we're gonna see the sales reports per month. Let's say it's the month of July. We just made like 64,000 total revenue, and there are 22 bookings, and average fare is 2944, and these are the reservations ID for the customers. And we can also see if we can sort them by the active only, like the reservations that are currently there, and cancelled reservations are also can be seen over here. So reports for the we can fetch the reports for the month of July. The total revenue is 64,773, and out of which 18,000 is cancelled. So average fare comes out to be 2,944. So we're gonna back over here, and in reservation list, we can see all the reservation made over here by the users. We can sort it by transit line, customer name, status, date. Over here, revenue analysis, we can analyze the revenue that's made, how much revenue we get from the particular route or the particular train. We can also sort it by customer, or we can sort it by the time period like August and July, how much revenue we got. And we also get the growth rate for those months. Let me come on to the best customer. We can also rate our customers who are the best, who give us the maximum business out of their pocket. So AA comes out to be the best user, who gave us the total $35,565 revenue with total 9 bookings, and he canceled 3 bookings. So the active revenue came out to be 21,000 with 6 bookings. Second comes out to be the meat part, and third be the BC. And we have a total of 3 customers with average of 22,470 and active value of 16,335. That's actively in the list. And we're gonna also rate them by the loyalty. Like Meet Patil comes out to be the VIP loyal based on the reservations he made and the amount of business he done with us. And then we can see the travel analyst. So the most active routes comes out to be Mumbai to Chennai. The second comes out to be Lucknow to Varanasi, and Mumbai to Goa comes out to be third. So these are the route capacities and the travel line analysis. So then we can log out from here, and we're gonna see our customer representative, and our customer representative logins are rep one and rep pass. So we're gonna just log in, and representative dashboard looks like to be a bunch of different options like total quotients, pending replies, of the total train schedules, the active bookings, and today's revenue. So today we don't have any revenue for sorry, but then we can manage the schedule over here. We have like total 1650 routes of the different trains, which they can add it, which they can even add, delete, and they can do a bunch of different stuff. Like they can edit stops, they can edit the time, the station, the fare, they can do everything over here. Just for this, we can just change it. Like let's say I want to change the revenue to uh 9,000. Yeah, so it just changed the fare to be 9,000. So we can actually delete that fare, and that's 1649 routes left. So we can come back out over here, and there's a Q&A management where a customer representative can add more Q&As and can rate them according to the priority. Some of those are higher priority and some of medium priority. So that can be listed on the customer's dashboards. And customer sports, when the customer sends a ticket or raises a ticket, it directly goes to the customer representative page, and customer representative page can actually help them, like assign to them and respond to those queries. And they can also view, there's a self-generated message by the system: thank you for contacting us, we will investigate the payment issue you reported. So that's a self-replied message over there. And these are the bunch of different queries, out of which 2 are resolved. We can change their status over there, update status, and we can change it to let's say resolved. Yeah, resolved. So yeah, 3 resolved. And yeah, that's all for this page. And then it comes to station schedule. You can also uh like filter the train, like the schedule with the train. Let's say it's Toronto. I might be wrong in this. Yeah, it's Toronto. So I just filtered it out with that name of that train. So all these are Toronto Express. And by origin, you can also origin like from Mumbai. That gives out to be Ahmedabad to Mumbai. From Ahmedabad station, Bangalore station, Gopal station, and those all. By destination, let's say Mumbai, and it comes out to be Ahmedabad station. That Mumbai train goes to Ahmedabad, Mumbai to Amritsar, Mumbai to Bangalore. These are all the station schedule. Transit customers. So it can gives you the analysis like how much the customer BAT or meat part will give the business, how much they spent, and are they active, are they doing something, and we can export them as CSV file. And yeah, actually, we can also produce this list in a CSV format. We can export them as a bunch of different reports can be exported to CSV files. So that's all. signing out with my three other team members, uh, me, Ashwinder, my Meet Patel, Ruhel Patel, and Racha. And thank you so much.